The Mirror of Kozyrev. Most occult artifacts come from ancient history, or at least ancient belief systems. This one doesn't. The Mirror of Kozyrev comes from the Soviet Union, mid-20th century, and unlike most entries on this list, it wasn't discovered, it was built. Named after astrophysicist Nikolai Kozyrev, who proposed that time itself wasn't just a measurement, but a physical force, something that could be directed, focused, even manipulated. To test this idea, researchers constructed large curved structures made of reflective metal, designed to concentrate what Kozyrev believed was the flow of time. Participants would sit inside them and wait. What they reported wasn't consistent, but it also wasn't random. Some described heightened perception, an awareness of things they shouldn't be able to sense. Others reported vivid visions, scenes from the past, or possible futures. And then there were the more difficult accounts to explain, people claiming they could transmit thoughts, receive information, or briefly experience events that hadn't happened yet. Now, none of this is widely accepted as science, and the experiments themselves are hard to verify, but they were conducted, documented, repeated, which makes this slightly different from a typical occult artifact. Because this wasn't something ancient people believed in. This was something modern researchers tried to build, using physics and materials and theory to interact with something we don't fully understand, which raises a different kind of concern. Because if even a fraction of those reports were accurate, then the question isn't whether the mirror worked. It's what exactly it was interacting with, and whether it was ever supposed to be accessed in the first